Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Today, we're going to walk you through the setup process for the Devolo AC Repeater 300. This powerful device is perfect for extending your Wi-Fi coverage and ensuring a stable connection throughout your home. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Devolo AC Repeater 300. Inside the box, you'll find the repeater itself, a quick start guide, and an Ethernet cable. The repeater has a sleek design with LED indicators to help you monitor the connection status. Next, plug the repeater into a power outlet near your router. Make sure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi network for the initial setup. The LED light will start blinking, indicating that it's ready to be configured. Now, take your smartphone, tablet, or laptop and open the Wi-Fi settings. Search for the network labeled Devolo.Repeater and connect to it. This is the default network for setting up your Devolo repeater. Once connected, proceed to the next step. Once connected, open your browser, and you'll be automatically redirected to the Devolo setup page. If not, just type http://setup.devolo.com in the address bar. On the setup page, you'll be guided through a few simple steps. First, select your existing Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. The repeater will then establish a connection to your network. Now, head to an area in your home where your Wi-Fi signal was previously weak or unreliable. Connect to your newly extended network, and you'll experience a noticeable boost in both speed and connection stability, ensuring seamless browsing and streaming. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable assistance. And that's it. Your Devolo AC Repeater 300 is all set up and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.